Welcome to Design Engineering. Today we are going to design this gear. Okay, let's note on this dimensions. Let's start our tutorial. Okay, go for new page or design. Dimensions is 100 mm, then value is 10 mm extrude. Then 35 mm diameter, extrude value is 5 mm. Okay, here also 5 mm. That 35 diameter, this sketch, extrude 5 mm metro, then direction 2 is 15 mm, totally 15 mm. Okay, created. Then I have to create this profile. So diameter is 10, total number of profiles is 7, then width of this profile 4 mm, then angle is 45. Okay, then 52 mm reference angle. I have to create this plane, normal to create one reference circle, diameter is 52, then convert to the conjunction mode, convert into conjunction mode. Then I have to create the circle, diameter is 10, then I have to choose central line. Okay, I have to create in horizontal because I need to give here angle of this line. That's why I created this center line, 45 mm angle, 45 degree angle. Then go for offset command. Distance is 4 mm. I have to give for 2 equal side it will have. Then go for convert entities. Then select the edges to convert. Then click OK. Go for the trim command. Then remove the unwanted lines. Okay. Then select the object to pattern. This object. Directly I go for the circular pattern. Then increase the instance. So already you know 7 instance it's having. Then click OK. Go for the future extrude cut. It's created. Then I have to move for the chamfer. So chamfer distance is 5 into 45. So both sides equal. Then here is 1 into 45. Then fillet radius is 2 mm radius. Okay. Directly I go for the chamfer. Then select all the edges. Have 45 mm distance. Then select another edges also. Okay, created. Then I have to create fillet here. Radius is 2 mm. Sorry. Then click OK. Then chamfer. Chamfer is distance is 1. Then click OK. It's created. I have to create here keyhole profile. So radius is 10, distance is 6 mm. Okay, directly I go for part, then sketch normal to. So diameter is 20. I have to give here 20 diameter. Then I have to create one center line here. So height is 3 mm. Okay, sorry, I have to give here 3 mm, enter. Then directly go for the offset, totally 6. I have to put 3 mm equal side. Then move on to the extend command, then increase the length. Then I have to close this one, then remove the unwanted one. Then exit sketch, go for the extrude cut. Okay, profile is completely created. You can apply the materials here. Okay. If you want more tutorial about design, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.